Peer-to-peer is setting up structures where students who may have some social or behavioral needs are supported through the peers around them. They're going to participate in things together. So you have this trained group of peers that are volunteering and willing to bring them into their social world, to be okay with, like, yes, I want this person who's never felt connected to a social circle or a social setting or context with other students. They can, experience the things that the rest of the typical peers are experiencing. Then school comes in, they're feeling more connected to school. Then the curriculum comes in, they're feeling more connected to the curriculum. It's a groundbreaking and amazing program for them to open their eyes, not only the needs of the student, but what they've got inside that they're able to make such a big difference. So much can be built off of a peer-to-peer program. To have somebody who is the catalyst for it within a district is really important, but then this buy-in as a building, as a district, this is what we're doing. And it's not just something that happens within a special ed classroom. When we recruit a group of students out of a classroom or of a grade level or out of a school to be peer-to-peer mentors, taking a natural interest in helping others and putting that into a real concrete experience where they do get to help others and not just watch a teacher be a teacher. They themselves get to make that impact. Working in the classroom and modeling, the typical behavior in the classroom takes a level of understanding of yourself, being able to really communicate with a wide range of kids, folks, people, principals, teachers. They get to see the different behavior patterns that are appropriate in different settings. And that's a very difficult thing for a lot of the students that are targeted with this programming is you have a different setting that brings a level of expectations to it. To have a model for how that could look and for them to make an association when they're in that new setting can build that behavior pattern that's going to be more appropriate for them.